During the fall migration, we have seen thousands of Canada geese stop at Lake Sundance during their migration. This year, we are trying a new goose deterrent system. Why are we trying to deter the geese? On average, a goose will eat 3 pounds of grass and will leave behind between 2 to 3 pounds of poop per bird per day. Goose poop contains bacteria and parasites that can make people and pets sick. It also contributes to poor water quality. The nutrients that's in the feces causes overgrowth of algae and blue-green algae. In the spring, when the geese are raising their goslings, they can become very aggressive towards people, and they have a lot to say about nothing, all day and all night. This year at Lake Sundance, we are trialing a goose deterrent system that uses 360-degree solar flashing lights. These are designed to specifically target the field of vision of the geese. They're at the eye level of the goose, and the color and the flashing is what disrupts them. Geese perceive these as predators' eyes, and they become restless and can't get any sleep. Each light is about 2 feet tall and has an effective radius of 100 yards. There will be 8 positioned throughout the water on the lake and 2 on the shoreline. We are trying out this system for the first time this season. We're putting it in now because it is after the molting and nesting season for the birds and before the migration. If it works, the lights will be back out temporarily in the spring. Our Lake Water Management Committee felt this was the most humane and best option for deterring the geese. Some of the other methods we considered were not a good fit for us, such as motion-activated sprayers, lights and fireworks, or using remote-controlled boats. Dogs can't chase the geese all across the lake, and they need to have a handler with them in order to make sure that the dogs don't hurt the birds, but they also have to be here. We don't have to be present in order to deter the geese. The lights are doing that for us. This system, we hope, is a good option for everyone for deterring the geese, keeping Lake Sundance and its members happy and healthy all year round.